Hey everyone, we've got a May Day emergency. Spring is here, but our garden hasn't grown yet. We need your help to complete the garden mission before time runs out. Are you ready? Stand up, get some space, let's go. Mission 1. Wake up the sun. Do jumping jacks with me. The sun is shining bright. Fun fact: plants use sunlight to make their own food. Mission 2. Dig the soil. Our garden needs soft soil. Dig, dig, dig. Get that soil ready. Mission 3. Plant the seeds. Do toe touches, grab a seed and plant it. Plant them carefully, don't drop them. Awesome, seeds are in the ground. Mission 4. Water the garden. Pour that water, pour, pour, pour. Did it. Let's have a dancing celebration. Amazing. Let's take a walk through the garden. Walk in place. Walk, walk, walk. What kind of flower doesn't sleep at night? A daisy. Happy May Day. Please support my channel by subscribing for more fun movement videos.